Whoa, another plane. Look at that one. You can see it now shining. Double engine aircraft. That's a double engine aircraft, alright. I can see it up there. Why is it not raising though? A plane though. Wow. Oh, it's shining now. Look at that shine. Wow. Baby, this is a good plane. Is there any more? I saw another one, guys. I saw more over there. I don't know why, but they don't have no contrails on. Oh, I heard that tire screech. I don't know why. Guys, I don't know. You might hear the engines right now. So our birds are in the way. Galloway insect. But yeah, that's either an Airbus A380 or a Boeing 747. Because that is what low. Plus, it's a double engine aircraft. Is there another one? No. Okay. Wait. Yeah, no.